Hi YouTubers, and welcome back to Digital Generations. In today's video I will be explaining exactly how to manifest your YouTube channels, giving you some really great tips of information about the most organic, effective free traffic methods you can use today. First thing first, as a YouTuber's consistency and the creation of highly engaging English language material are essential for success. As a result, you should surely use social networks to promote your items. However, when I say promote, I don't mean purchase advertisements, but rather publish articles, videos, and photographs of your product in an interesting manner for your audience. It's a good approach to do it if you provide them with 80% value and only 20% sales. As a result, your audience receives a great deal of value and begins to follow you, and the 20% sales allow you to profit from what you're doing. Now, putting a person in a purchase mindset in the resource section is a terrific approach to do this when you're giving value. You will find one article that I strongly advise you to read about getting your customers in the mood to buy. So kindly share this video and read this essay afterward. Okay. Make sure you're creating high quality, interesting material on a regular basis. Let's have a look at some additional free traffic options. YouTube receives 34 billion hits per month. As a result, YouTube's aim is to offer everyone a voice and to show them the world. Following that is Facebook, which receives 26 billion monthly visitors, and Twitter, which receives 6 billion monthly visits. Then there's Instagram, which gets 5.5 billion monthly visitors, and then there's Reading. I'm not sure if you've heard of Reddit before. 1.5 billion monthly visits on Reddit. It's a news aggregator for social media. Registered members of a web content and discussion website submit stuff, such as links, text entries, and photographs, which are subsequently voted up or down by other members. Then there's the fact that we get over 1 billion monthly visitors. Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service that allows users to save and find material on the internet by creating pinboards with photos, GIFs, and videos. Then there's Quora, with visits every month. Every month, almost 500 million people visit the site. Quora is the most popular website for those looking for answers. So, if you're having issues, you can go to Quora. Then there's TikTok, which has 500 million monthly visitors, and Craigslist, which has over 400 million monthly visitors. Craigslist is a classified ad website that includes sections for employment, homes for sale, wanted services, community service, gigs, resumes, and discussion forums. Then there's a Tumblr that has over 300 million monthly visits. It's a social networking and microblogging website. Users can submit multimedia and other items to a short-form blog using this service. Users can read other people's blogs, and bloggers can create their own blogs, as well as other mediums. It receives over 200 million monthly visits. It's a platform for internet publication. Given a piece of art that receives over 100 million monthly visits. Well, I hope this information was helpful. And I wish you all nothing but success in your journey as a YouTubers. Remember that consistency equals to success. Bye for now, and please don't forget to press the like button, and subscribe to this channel, for I have more great videos to come on how to really make more money online. Thanks to you all for your support. If you want to learn more about this engaging YouTube manifestation traffic methods, click the link below these descriptions now, and we'll see you there.